Hello again. So this time we got an Airsoft 1911. This is a TSD tactical made by WE Caspian model, old metal frame, but it's again it's the Airsoft. Now what I wanted to do was find out if this frame will take the 22 conversion kit for a 1911. So stay tuned, we're going to find that out. First we're going to disassemble this guy. Put that aside. Again, this is a 22, for those that don't think so. I think maybe this thing will focus a little more. Okay. Now, the rails are not all one piece here. There's like 4 of them. Okay, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. First of all, they were a little bit wider than the kit, so I just filed them down a little bit, just a little bit actually, to make the slide from the 22 fit this thing. And then I took the magazine for 22. Try to put it in. It's not going in. Why? Well, right here is why. See where it hits? Right over here? Yeah. It won't go in. So this thing needs to come off, okay, in order for the magazine to latch on. Then said, well, okay, I'll take care of that, no problem. Let's put the frame in. Well, it slides in up to a point where it doesn't really go anymore. So I couldn't figure out why until I actually took it apart. Okay, so this is where the problem is. You won't let the barrel, this part of the barrel right here, slide past this point. Okay, so this is probably the most difficult thing to do if you ever want to do it. I think it will just mess it all up beyond any kind of function and repair. So it's just not worth it. Just want to share this with you. I don't think it works. I've seen it on the internet, on YouTube. A guy made a Airsoft conversion, 22, using an airframe, Airsoft frame, but apparently he had a different model. He had a Colt replica. He said it's a 1-to-1. I don't know anything about the internals, if he ever made any adjustments, any kind of work over there to take it apart, but it does not work. So if anybody had any questions about it, at least this one, the TSD model made by WE, apparently, I got the box right here. This is the one. Okay, and this one doesn't work. No, actually, no. I think I'm wrong. It's not made by WD. The booklet is for a different guy. So my bad. All right. See you in another video.